Hi, my name is Josie, and I'm the Manager of Customer Success here at Edcite. Sometimes we want to copy assignments because we want to be able to differentiate assignments for different students, or we want to copy assignments from year to year. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an assignment. We are going to start off on the My Assignments page. I know I'm on the My Assignments page because both Assignments and My Assignments in the top navigation bar are in green font and underlined in green. Next, I'm going to find an assignment I'd like to make a copy of. I'm going to do this text, evidence, and characters feelings. I'm going to click the action button. I'm going to select copy, and a copy is going to be placed into my Assignments folder, and the new editor will open. I can now change this assignment to meet any of my students' needs, or simply just have a separate copy in my Assignments folder. If you are going to have a separate copy in your My Assignments folder, I would suggest that you change the name of the assignment by adding copy 1 or something else at the end of this name and then clicking the Save button. Remember, you can also change the settings of this assignment to meet any of your students' needs. If you have any questions about this or anything else on Edcite, please feel free to click the Help or Feedback buttons located at the bottom of your screen.